Hello and welcome to Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology. In this clip, this is the last part of looking at this AQA Design and Technology questions featuring design questions. So in the first part we looked at this climbing frame and we just answered some questions about that relating to design, safety and the needs of the user. And we'll just look at this last part here. These questions are more general on drawing and looking at answering questions about 2D drawing and 3D drawing. So it says three-dimensional drawings communicate information in different ways to two-dimensional drawings. Describe two advantages of that 3D drawing has over 2D drawing. So we can say that what can we say? 3D drawing is easier for the user to see the final product, I think. So 3D drawing allows, we say, all users to easily see the drawn object, which can be I think that would do. I've heard two things. So I think the main point here is that that all users can see it and understand it, and it can be rotated around to see from different views and just get a better overview of the object, which we could add something like that. Advantage 2, this is these 3D drawings can be transferred to other CAM, computer-aided manufacture, processes such as 3D printing or CNC, computer numerically controlled machining. Sometimes needing an intermediate piece of software, but generally if you've got a 3D drawing in whichever format, they can normally be just readily exported straight to a 3D printer or a CNC machine, and then obviously that is a CAM process which can actually manufacture the product. So that is an advantage of the two advantages of 3D CAD or 3D drawings over 2D drawings. And last of all, we've got a question here. Below is a drawing. This is just an orthographic drawing question. Below is a drawing of a storage rack for letters. Complete the third angle orthographic projection by adding a side view of the isometric drawing. So I'm going to use a pencil here, and obviously we need to project it into this side view box. So we can put this, if I draw this, I hope you can see that. See those lines? I'll do them a little bit heavier lighter than I would have done. So we've got, if I do that there, we could be really accurate and we could measure this. So say it's about 35, so we put a line there. I don't think it has to be that accurate in terms of dimensionality, but obviously positioning. So there's 5 marks. I think we can spend a little bit of time on it. So I've projected some lines across here, which we could, I'm going to put them in dotted, and then obviously if we can line this in, so we've got this view here, this line down here, so I could transfer that thickness. We've got, so we're looking basically on this end view here, got that. So there's our end view. Got that there. Because this is a slope here, don't want to miss off that detail here, which I can line across. And then last of all, we would have these holes, which are hidden detail at the top here, would actually be added here with a centre line there. So there we've got that. I hope you can see that. So we've got the plan view there, the front view, and then this side view. So we've got our sloping edge. We projected across our holes there, and then there's our side view. So that would be, I think, 5 marks there. Okay, so that's the last part of that question. Okay, so that was looking at the design type questions in the AQA design and technology paper. Put back to that one. Okay, and thank you for watching Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology.